Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing another Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. The first one was a very kind of fiery red. I thought I would do kind of the complete opposite and do like a pinky toned glittery one. So this is a lot more of a softer glam than the other one was, that was quite heavy. So if you'd like to know how I created this look and what products I used, then be sure to give the video a big thumbs up and also subscribe because, you know, that's kind of important. So yeah. So for face primer I'm going to be using the Too Faced Hangover Primer. I thought I'd want something quite moisturising and also that's going to make your makeup last all day long, and this is a very good one for that. Foundation, I wanted to use something that's quite natural but still makes your skin look fully covered but still flawless at the same time, if that makes sense. So the foundation that came to mind straight away was the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation. So mine is in the shade 220. For concealer, I'm going to be using the NYX HD concealer, and this is in the shade Golden. That's what it looks like. I thought I'd use this concealer because it's a HD concealer and it looks so good in pictures. Setting the under eyes, I'm going to use the Milani pressed powder, and this one is in the shade Golden. It looks like that. Using this this week, I recently got it and I love it. It makes the under eyes look so flawless. I've never used it to set the entire face. I might try that now actually. So I'm just going to make sure there's no creases under the eyes. Oh, actually before I do that I'm going to prime the lid. Now I'm going to set the lid and under eyes with that powder. Take a big fluffy brush and just very lightly. You know me, I don't like using a lot of powder because I like that glow to be on your skin, but this is kind of like a long wearing look, so you kind of want your makeup to last all day long. Just in case there's any fallout, because I have powdered underneath, so it can catch fallout, just in case there is any, because I have, like I said before, I haven't used this palette before that I'm going to be using, so yeah, I'll come back to the face after. So for eyeshadow, I don't know what I'm doing completely yet. I've got a rough idea. I want just something quite soft, natural and super easy as well. So I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Neutrals 2 palette, which looks like this, and I love the shade range in this. I've swatched a few shades as you can see, but I've never used it on the eyes. And yeah, I've got high hopes of this because it swatched very well, but obviously I need to see how it looks on the eye. So there's no peachy shade in here though, and you know me, I really need a peachy shade. So I'm going to just quickly use Peach Smoothie by Makeup Geek, just so I've got a peach shade in the crease, because you know I need that. So I'm taking, where is it? There, that's Peach Smoothie. I'm taking that shade. So going into the palette, ooh, I don't know what to take. I'm going to go quite pinky. I think I'm going to take this shade here. Obviously there's no name, so I'm just going to have to point at them. Take this pink shade here and apply that. I'm using a more kind of pointed brush. I'm going to put, ooh, these are very pigmented. I have got fallout, so I'm kind of glad I didn't put my highlight and everything on. So I'm going to concentrate this in the outer V and work my way into the crease. So yeah, just bear that in mind that you do get fallout with this palette, so make sure you do your full face afterwards. Unless you're doing what I did and just powdered underneath, so it's fine. Outer corner, I'm going to mix this pink with this kind of mauvey shade here. That is very, very, very pigmented. I'm praying that this is going to blend out nicely. Oh yeah, that's blending straight away. Okay. So I think for the lid I might use a different, because there are some very nice, like that is a really nice shade, but I think I want to use something else. Going to use the Colourpop Super Shock shadow, and this is in the shade Hiney. That's what it looks like. That's so pretty. Like Ritz that I have, which I'm obsessed with, you know, the glittery one that just looks really wet that I rave about all the time. It's kind of like a pink version of that, but this has got a lot more pigment to it. It's not just pure glitter. Lid. Ooh, that's pretty. I've never used this on the eyes before. Ooh, I really like that. And just to go a bit over the top, because it's me, I'm going to use the LA Splash liquid eyeliner in the shade Pink Sparkles. I'm just going to put this right in the middle, just to give it that extra wet looking sparkly look that I'm obsessed with. Okay, so I'm gonna go do the other eye off camera quickly, and then I'll come back and finish off the eyes on camera for you. Okay, so I just went and finished off the eyes, and I applied some eyeliner just on the tops of the eyelids, but I didn't want to do a wing because I didn't want anything too intense. And I just used the Maybelline Master Precise liquid eyeliner pen. I thought it was okay. It's not like the blackest liner, but it did the job and it was quite easy to work with. I'm going to use the L'Oreal Paradise Ecstatic Mascara, one of my faves. I'm just going to finish off the eyes, so I'm just going to apply some of the same shades that I used in the crease as always. It's like something just fell out of a tree. I'm just going to use the highlighting palette that I've been obsessed with recently, which is the Pure Cosmetics highlighting palette. I've literally been using this every single day. It's getting pretty beat, but I love it. I'm just freaking love it. Mix together Sultry, Frostbitten, Star Bright and Gold Rush, which is that one, that one, that one and that one. For bronzer, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Blush Bronzer Duo, and it's in the shade Fiji. It's their matte one, and I'm going to just take the bronzer from it. I'm not going to use the blush, just the bronzer for now. For blush, I'm going to be using Milani Luminoso, one of the best blushes ever. And it has a sheen to it, so it's just going to make that highlight pop even more. Then to just set all of that in place, I'm going to use the Rimmel Insta Fix and Glow setting spray. And for lips, I'm going to be using the Colourpop Ultra Satin Lip in the shade Dreamy. Oh my god, I love it. And that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. So I hope you enjoyed this makeup look that I came up with. Be sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and give the video a big thumbs up as well, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Praise, what even? So Rimmel, what? I hope you enjoyed this makeup look that I... Shut up, please! Oh my god. First it's a car alarm, now it's the birds. Just let me film! He's like, yeah, nah, you're not filming today, love. How do people wear hoops all the time? They're already... Put them on 2 seconds ago and they're already like knocking me out. Now they shut up. So when I'm finished... Oh yeah, you're still there, aren't you?